gorgeous print that is new and at a sale price. But I hate to tell you this, I'm the bearer of bad news today. Price is going up at the end of the day. So you are getting this. It's our only order of the year. Pick it up at that sale price. This is the Quacker Factory wildflower printed 3/4 sleeve top, 26.5 inches to 32.5 inches in length. Extra small through 5X are your sizes. This is your lilac.
Oh, so pretty.
Then we have the hot coral. The hot coral has stolen my heart.
This is the color we need right now in our lives. Yeah.
It instantly brought me joy.
Yep.
And then we have the deep navy. Deep navy has been super popular in everything we've seen this season. And this deep navy with a white or maybe the Kelly green skirt.
I mean, get out of town right now.
And I love these color combinations because you don't see a skirt in that color.
No, you really don't.
No, and it's great because it brings out so many florals that you already have. But pick this top up because it really is something that wears well with everything you've got in the closet. And that price expires at the end of the day. The skirt works with everything. So pick up all 3 of the tops and the skirt, and you've got your uniform for the spring, summer months.
Absolutely.
Now,
so this is 100% cotton.
Okay.
Nice, round neckline, not too low, not too wide, 3/4 length sleeves, just a glisten of scatter of stones accenting the beautiful flowers. John, this is my favorite type of garden because it requires 0 watering, 0 weeding, and 0 fertilization. It's just there all the time.
Me too. I had my first garden show the other day, and I had to be honest with, I said, I've never seen a garden, but we're going to learn together.
I like it.
And, we did.
I think people can really respect that because, having a garden is a lot of work. I don't know if I shared this with you, but for the last few summers, I volunteered at a local community-supported agriculture farm. Okay. Community-supported agriculture farm. There we go. Not far from our house. I basically work for vegetables. I get paid in vegetables.
I love that.
Right? And so when I get there for my 4-hour shift and they say, yeah, we have everything done, just go weed for 4 hours. I don't want to do that.
No.
Can I sweep? Can I clean vegetables? Can I do something else? Weeding is tough. 2 hours, I'm good.
Yeah.
4 hours, not so good.
Not so much.
So that's why I like gardens like this, because you're getting that beautiful print and all of the color is printed on this, John.
Right.
All of it.
And that's expensive to do.
Yes.
And to have it in the same place. But the fact that you're getting this for that sale price and the price goes up at the end of the day, it's our only order of the year. Do not wait. This is your deep navy color. Now, the deep navy has been super popular. We have how many left in the deep navy to go around again? 3 dozen in the deep navy. So do not wait on that. Then we have your lilac. And then over with Angel, we have our hot coral.
Yeah, that hot coral is gorgeous.
This has been our most popular. Okay. It is that instant ray of sunshine.
It really is.
I love that you have a little sparkle and shine. As I say, no rhinestone left unturned here at Quacker Factory. But you've got that clean back as well, but you're still getting that print. Yes.
This is a workhorse in your wardrobe, just like the wisteria top, with that, 100% cotton. I have to tell you, years ago when I started with Quacker, some of our gals would write on social media and say, Angel, I cannot take the polyester. It's too hot. It's too hot. And I never understood it.
Right.
I understand it now. Because I'm at a certain age. You feel me, right? Because some fabrics just feel like wool.
Yes.
On the body. Yeah. So when you have a 100% cotton top, it's breathable. It feels great. It looks great. Just turn it inside out. What's our care saying?
Oh, we're talking machine wash, tumble dry.
Okay. Personally, I wouldn't tumble dry this, maybe for a few minutes, or definitely do it on no heat, okay? Because we want it to remain, to have that great shape. But this is just one of those tops that you reach for again and again. I'm thinking Easter. I'm thinking Mother's Day brunch, church, services. You wear it now with a cardigan or a blazer. And then when you take off that blazer or cardigan, you have all of the beautiful colors in these flowers to just bring joy to everybody that you see. I went to a flower arranging class the other day with one of my galentines.
You live one of the most fascinating, wonderful lives.
I don't like to sit still.
I completely understand, and I will be joining you for the next class.
That's why I haven't seen Wicked yet, because
yeah,
I don't like
you're
to
too
sit
busy.
still, right? But you know, this is just. Do you have a friend that you want to send some joy to across the miles?
Right.
Instead of sending a bouquet of flowers that she's going to have to, you know, discard.
Throw away. This is something that will last. And if you want to pick up these jeans, you're getting double the flower power.
Love it.
These jeans are $68. This top is an expiring price of $54.98 for a workhorse in your closet. So do not wait on this. I'm going to run you through colors again. This is your deep navy. Then we have our hot coral that has been super popular, super limited. And then last but not least, we've got that lilac. Extra small through 5X are remaining. 3 easy payments of $18.33. But don't wait, because that goes up at the end of the day, and then you have to pay more money. And it is the only order of the year. So when it's gone, it's gone. Get it at that great sale price. 800-500-7590 is that number to call.
Pat wore that navy on National